In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete chats on Deepseek on your phone. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, open the Deepseek app. Once you are logged in, go to your chat section where all your conversations are listed. You'll find the chat section right here. As you can see, your conversations is listed right here. In order to delete your conversation, long press on your conversation and the menu will pop up rename and delete. Simply tap on delete again, and your conversation is deleted successfully. Repeat the same process for the next conversation. If you want to delete the whole conversation, simply go to your profile, click on here, tap on data controls, and you can see delete all chats right here. Tap on it and tap on confirm deletion. Go back. As you can see, all your chats has been deleted successfully. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.